Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, where we dive into the world of tech with honest and in-depth reviews. Today we're looking at the Lyyes Wii AC adapter power supply. If you're a Nintendo Wii U gamer and in need of a reliable replacement adapter, stick around as we break down what this product has to offer and why it might be the perfect solution for your console. Let's start with the basics. The Lyyes AC adapter is a high-quality replacement power supply designed specifically for the Wii U console. If you're someone who has had their original power adapter fail or are just looking for a backup, this adapter is a solid choice. It provides all the essential features that ensure your gaming experience stays uninterrupted. One of the standout features of the Lyyes AC adapter is its built-in safety mechanisms. This adapter comes with overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overheating protection, and short-circuit protection. This makes it safer for both your power supply and your console, providing peace of mind while gaming. Whether you're playing for hours or just a quick session, you can rest assured that your Wii U system is well protected from potential power issues. The adapter is designed to work specifically with the Wii U console system, and it's important to note that it will not work for the original Wii console or the Wii U Gamepad. So if you're not sure which system you have, make sure to double-check before purchasing to avoid any confusion. Now let's talk about the power specs. This adapter is suitable for a US plug wall outlet, with an input voltage range of AC 100 to 245 volts, which means it can handle a variety of power conditions. The output is a stable DC 12 volts at 3.7 amps, ensuring your Wii U receives the correct power for optimal performance. This power supply is specifically designed to meet the needs of the Wii U, so you won't have to worry about any power inconsistencies that might affect your console. As for usability, the Lyyes AC adapter is incredibly straightforward. It's a plug-and-play solution, meaning all you need to do is connect it to your console, and you're good to go. No complicated setup or extra steps involved, just plug it in and you're ready to dive into your favorite games. This makes it a great option for both beginners and experienced gamers who want a hassle-free power solution. In conclusion, the Lyyes Wii AC adapter power supply is an excellent option if you're looking for a reliable replacement for your Wii U console's power needs. It offers great safety features to protect your console and ensures the right power supply with its 12-volt 3.7 amp output. The plug-and-play setup makes it super easy to use, and the build quality is solid, providing long-lasting reliability. If you've been struggling with an old or faulty adapter, this is definitely worth considering. It does exactly what it promises and more, allowing you to enjoy your gaming sessions without any interruptions. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews right here on Alltech. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.